how-to curler method to get heatless curls using the Happy Hair Curlers. So bring half of your hair to each side, and you can add a little bit of water or product to your hair at this point. So take your curler and a section from the front of your hair, twist it away from your face, and then you just want to put it around the curler and clamp that down to hold it in place. And then we just start adding little sections of hair and wrapping it around the curler. I like to use the hair from the top portion of my head first, and then I'll do some more from the middle to the bottom, and just twist and wrap until all your hair is on this curler. Once you get to the bottom, just secure it in place with a bobby pin. So now that the curlers are in, I'm going to put it into a bun in the back so it can be like that while it's curling. So I just give these a twist so they're nice and tight up at the top, and then just put this into a bun. It will stay like this by itself, but I like to add a scrunchie to the bun. And there we go. So I've had the curlers in my hair now for about 2 hours, and I'll take these curlers out and show you my results. So I just take the bobby pins out and undo a couple wraps. So here's the curls. I like to just give them a little bit of hairspray, and I kind of just run my fingers through them. I try not to mess with them too much because they will relax a little bit, being as they are heatless curls. So that's it. I hope you guys like them and enjoy them, and try them soon.